Hi everyone, Anna's here and she's got a really great idea for figuring out 3 times 45 or 3 groups of 45. So I've gone ahead and I've put out 45 here. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. So that's one group of 45, 2, and then 3. Okay. So to figure this out, we got to figure out the total amount here.
Okay.
Tell them about your great idea.
I'm going to round 45 into 50.
So you're going to make every 45 50. So basically you're going to add 5 cents, right? So I'm going to just put plus 5 cents, and you're going to make that into 50 cents. So let's go ahead.
And instead, we're going to put these down.
Perfect. So we're going to, so look, we've got this, right? And then this one I'm adding 5 cents to again, right? And hold on. And so just so that we keep track of everything. So then there's the 50 cents. And then here, we're going to add 5 cents to just this part, right? And then what we can do is just think of this 50 cents. So now, this is really easy, right? How much is here?
There is $50, $1.50.
Okay, so it's 150.
But now you got a minus 15 because 5, 10, 15.
Okay, so to do that, let's actually, I'm going to just put out some other money for this.
Okay.
So I'm going to put out, instead of a quarter, I'm just going to exchange it for 2 dimes and a nickel, right? And so we're going to take away a dime, right? So $1.50 or 150 minus, that's the 10, and then I'm going to take away 5 more. So
minus 15.
And so how much money do we have here then?
Well, we got 50, $1,
Let's think of the $1.50 minus 15.
Okay, so $1.50 minus 15 equals $1.35.
Okay, and let's just put these back and make sure that we have the count here.
Or
Okay.
$1.35.
Let's just make sure that we have the count here because we'll put it back. So we have, so here's the $1.50, right? Because this is with a quarter. So there's the $1.50, and we got to take away 15. So $1.50 minus 10 would give you what?
Minus 10 would give you 40.
Okay.
$1.40.
And then minus 5 more cents.
Which would give you $1.35.
Yeah, so 135 is the final answer. That was a great idea, Anna.
Thanks. Bye, everyone.
Hi, everyone. Today we have 45 times 3, and Benno's going to tell us how he did it. So how do you want to think about this, Benno?
Well, kind of here, there's a... Is that 25?
Oh, let's bring this out then, because you're thinking about it in terms of money, right?
Yes.
So let's just put this out so everyone can see it. So how much is here, Benno?
Is that a 25 or a 5?
That's a nickel, so it's
Okay.
for 5.
So that's 45 is here.
Yep, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. So you're thinking about 3 groups of 45.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's one group of 45, and let's go ahead and bring out the other ones. Yeah. So that's 2 groups of 45.
Yeah.
1 and 2.
Next one.
And this one, okay. Okay, so then that is, I'm just going to move these a little bit closer together so that you can really see the groups. Okay, so that's 3 groups of 45.
Yeah.
Okay, so to figure out 45 times 3, we have to figure out the total amount here. So how do you want to figure out the total amount of money here?
Well, first, what I would do is I would count 40. So 4, 8, 12.
Oh, okay.
And then add another 0.
Okay, let's actually break this out for people. Okay, so instead of thinking of 45, you're actually going to split this as 40 and 5. So basically, like, here's your 45, and you're going to do it. Okay, so let's do that for each one first. And that means you're looking at 40 times 3 plus 5 times 3. Oh, there's another, right?
Yeah, so
here's our 40 times 3.
Yeah.
And how much did you say that was?
120.
120. And then here is our 5 times 3. And how much is that one?
15.
Okay, so then we just have $1.20 plus 15 cents, and how much does that equal?
135.
Yeah, or we could have just went like 120, 125, 130, 135.
Yeah.
So 135 or 130. That was fabulous.